Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to show you something absolutely crazy. Imagine this, you take a screenshot of any trading chart, send it to a bot, and in just a few seconds it tells you exactly what to do, buy or sell, and it's actually accurate. Sounds unreal, right? But it's 100% real and completely free to use. This tool literally does technical analysis for you using just a photo. It's like having a personal trading assistant in your pocket, available 24/7. I've tested this bot on pocket option and the results are shocking. Perfect entries, insane precision, and it even catches reversals that most traders completely miss. So stay with me till the end, I'll show you everything step by step and you'll see exactly how it works in real trading. The link to the bot is in the pinned comment and on the channel's homepage. Alright, let's jump straight into it. After logging into the bot, and yes, it's completely free, you'll see a few simple options on the menu. The one we need is called Chart Analysis by Photo. Now this is where the magic really starts. Choose the candlestick time frame, 15 seconds, 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on how you trade. Then take a quick screenshot or even a phone photo of your trading chart and send it straight to the bot. In just a few seconds, it scans your chart and gives you a clear signal, buy or sell, with the recommended duration of the trade. No indicators, no guesswork, just pure automation. Let's test it. Perfect. Clean win. Let's go again. Two wins in a row. This thing is crazy accurate. And check this out, it even caught the end of the correction perfectly. Let's grab one more signal for fun. Three out of 3, all from simple screenshots. Honestly, this bot is a game changer. It saves so much time and works even from your phone. Just send a photo, get a signal and trade. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the pinned comment and on the channel homepage. It's 100% free, so go ahead and test it. But remember, trade smart, use proper money management and don't risk what you can't afford to lose. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications because next time I'll show you how to combine this bot signals with a powerful pocket option strategy for even better results. See you in the next video and happy trading!